Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls. Welkom by vandag se graad 2 Afrikaans les. Welcome to today's grade 2 Afrikaans lesson. Vandag gaan ons sigwoorde leer. Today we are going to learn sight words. Sigwoorde is woorde wat ons moet leer om vinnig te herken en te lees. Sight words are words that we learn to recognize and read quickly. Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's get started. Okay maatjies, kyk mooi na elke woord wat ek vir julle wys. Look carefully at each word that I show you. Luister na my en sê die woord saam met my. Listen to me and say the word with me. Hierdie is die woord was. This is the word was. Was beteken was in Engels. Was means was in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Was. Baie goed, very good, boys and girls. I'm so proud of you. Okay, maatjies, hierdie is die woord dit. This is the word dit. Dit beteken it, this, of that in Engels. Dit means it, this, or that in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Dit. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done, boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord sal. This is the word sal. Sal beteken will of shall in Engels. Sal means will or shall in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Sal. Fantastiese werk, maatjies. Fantastic work, boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord iets. This is the word iets. Iets beteken something in Engels. Iets means something in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Iets. Super duper werk, maatjies. Well done, boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord eie. This is the word eie. Eie beteken own in Engels. Eie means own in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Eie. Great, maatjies. Fantastiese werk. Hierdie is die woord vrou. This is the word vrou. Vrou beteken woman in Engels. Vrou means woman in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Vrou. Wonderlike werk, maatjies. Wonderful work, boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord man. This is the word man. Man beteken man in Engels. Man means man in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Man. Fantasties, maatjies. Fantastic, boys and girls. Hierdie woord is die woord kan. This is the word kan. Kan beteken can in Engels. Kan means can in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Kan. Baie mooi, maatjies. Well done, boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord van. This is the word van. Van beteken of from in Engels. Van means of or from in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Fun. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done, boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord al. This is the word al. Al beteken already of all in Engels. Al means already or all in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Al. Great maatjies, baie mooi. Fantasties. Bytwerk vandag maatjies. Excellent work today, boys and girls. Julle het baie mooi na al die sigwoorde gekyk en saam gelees. Julle het hulle ook hardop saam met my gesê. You did a great job looking at the sight words and reading together. Onthou om julle sigwoorde gereeld te oefen. Remember to practice your sight words regularly. Okay maatjies, ek gaan nou elke woordjie sê en jy gaan gou mooi luister. Okay boys and girls, I'm going to say each sight word and you're going to listen. Was, dit, kan, sal, iets, eie, van, man, al, vrou. Right, I'm going to repeat them one last time. Was, dit, kan, sal, iets, eie, van, man, al, vrou. Okay, boys and girls, I'm now going to repeat the words very slowly and you're going to try and say the word after me. Are you ready? Is julle gereed? Kom ons begin. Let's get started. Was, dit, kan, sal, iets, eie, van, man, al, vrou. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done, boys and girls. Julle werk so hard. You're working so hard. Ek is baie trots op elkeen van julle. I am very proud of each and every one of you. Tot volgende keer. See you next time. Totsiens. Goodbye.